Hey everyone, and welcome to a world where spooky meets silly. Get ready for an adventure into a forest that's more funny than frightening. Our story begins on a beautiful, spooky night. Look at that big, bright full moon hanging in the purple sky. The trees are glowing with mysterious colors, and little bats are fluttering all around. It's the perfect setting for a little bit of mystery, don't you think? And here come our brave explorers. 3 cute kids, dressed in bright red, blue, and yellow, are making their way through the woods. They've got their trusty flashlights, and they don't look scared at all. In fact, they look super excited and curious to see what they can find in this enchanted, spooky forest. They're searching every corner, their flashlight beams dancing through the glowing trees. What do you think they're hoping to discover? Maybe some friendly monsters or some playful ghosts. Let's follow them and see. Wait, what was that? Hiding behind a bush is a little ghost, getting ready to give them a scare. He takes a deep breath and, boo! Oh! But wait, he slipped on a banana peel. Who leaves a banana peel in a spooky forest anyway? Down he goes, with a silly tumble. The kids can't help but burst out laughing. It wasn't a scary boo, it was a funny oops. The ghost, looking a little dazed, just scratches his head. I guess his plan didn't quite work out. This is already turning into a hilarious adventure. The kids continue their journey, giggling about the clumsy ghost. The forest is full of wonders. Look over there, behind those giant glowing mushrooms. Some funny-looking monsters are trying to hide, but they're not very good at it. One of them has a big, twitching nose. Achoo. He lets out a giant sneeze, and pop, his horns fly right off his head and bounce on the ground. The kids just find this hysterical. The poor monster looks so surprised, staring at his hornless head. I think this forest is filled with the friendliest, funniest monsters you could ever meet. As they walk deeper into the woods, the kids spot something incredible up ahead. It's an old, haunted train. But this isn't your typical scary train. It has glowing green lights, and it's covered in spider webs that sparkle under the moonlight. And look! Peeking out of the windows are cute little skeletons, and they're waving. They look so happy to have visitors. The kids, full of excitement, run towards the train. It looks like their adventure is about to get even more exciting. They don't hesitate for a second and climb right aboard. Let's see what's inside. Wow! It's a party on the ghost train. The inside is a whirlwind of fun. Skeletons are dancing, their bones clacking together in a silly rhythm. Pumpkins are flying through the air, bouncing off the walls like rubber balls. The air is filled with spooky but super fun music. It's impossible not to want to dance along. The ghosts from the forest have followed them on board, and now they're ready to play. They're zipping and zooming all around the train car, ready for some mischief One of the playful ghosts just swooped down and snatched a flashlight. The little girl in the red coat is surprised, but she's laughing as she tries to get it back. The ghost zips up to the ceiling, dangling the light just out of her reach. Look over there! Another ghost has found a new hiding spot inside a hollow pumpkin. All you can see are his two big eyes peering out. And you can hear him making little woo noises. The kids are having the time of their lives, chasing the ghosts around the train car, their laughter echoing with all the silly sounds. You can hear BOing pop and whoosh as everyone runs and plays together. This is the best haunted train ride ever. The train chugs along and comes to a stop at a very special place, a spooky graveyard. But just like everything else tonight, it's not scary at all. The moment the music from the train wafts out, the tombstones start wiggling and dancing to the beats. They're hopping and swaying from side to side. And look up in the sky. The bats aren't just flying. They re-clapping their wings together like they re-giving a round of applause for the wonderful show. And what's that spinning in the air? It's a witch's hat, twirling and dancing all by itself under the big, beautiful moon. This has turned into the biggest, friendliest monster mash. The kids and the ghosts are all dancing together now. They're spinning, jumping, and laughing under the moonlight. Even the pumpkins have rolled off the train and are joining the fun, bouncing around like happy little bowling balls. You can even hear some cats meowing along to the rhythm of the music. Everyone is having such a fantastic time. It's a celebration of friendship and fun in the heart of the spooky forest. It just goes to show that even things that seem spooky can be wonderful and fun when you read with good friends. What an unforgettable night. As the music winds down, everyone is still laughing and smiling. The kids, the ghosts, the skeletons, and all the funny monsters gather together for one last cheer. They all start waving goodbye to each other, promising to have another adventure again soon. And just as they wave, the sky lights up. Beautiful, colorful fireworks explode above the spooky forest, showering everything in sparkling light. It's the perfect ending to a perfect, spooktacular night of fun and laughter. Everyone is happy, and the forest is filled with joy. Thanks so much for joining us on this silly, spooky adventure. We hope you had as much fun as we did. If you enjoyed watching our haunted kids and funny ghosts, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss our next fun-filled story. We can't wait to see you again for another adventure. Bye for now.